mentioned before, the cleaning, I use things like glass wipes to clean the surface of the glass and also the underside of the glass, and then some like blue roll, something like this, just to wipe any excess off. Something that doesn't leave, leaving the residue and dust behind the material, because there's some sharp edges in there and get caught up. You can also use like a microfiber cloth and some of this window stuff. I've not actually got around to using this yet so far because the glass wipes do a good job. Another thing, obviously the most important one, everyone should have these. Everyone has to have these. Not this brand necessarily, other brands. Lens wipes. That's what you want to clean your mirrors and your lenses, including the little cameras under here, and focus lasers. This is obviously the most important one, and also don't forget, like I said, the one inside here, the one on the side, and the one on the underside of the Glowforge, which I showed you earlier. So that's very important. In terms of when I do a thorough clean, I use something like this WD-40, like fast drying contact cleaner. So you have to be careful, obviously, with components. You have to make sure you use stuff that's not going to damage the components or leave any residue or moisture behind. That's going to cause problems with them. So this is made for cleaning like computer parts and components safely, but do follow the instructions and make sure I've not had to go into that side of things just yet, but I've got it for when I do. I'm not going to do a full in-depth video of this cleaning setup because there are so many already about cleaning Glowforge, and it's just subject. It's what you prefer. I think just a case of just use your common sense. Look at what's dirty, clean it if you can, but use the right materials to clean it. Use the right products to clean it. Things like using, like I said earlier, this spray duster. I got these, like I said, 3 of these for less than £10. I think it's around £10 on Amazon. They're pretty good, quite powerful, blasts the dust away. Good for like the little tiny fan that's inside the black box. So this is isopropyl alcohol, 99.9% purity. You want 99% really. It absolutely stinks. It smells of, I don't want to say what it smells of. I'd say rat stuff. It's disgusting, but it doesn't linger on too much, but it does a good job. It cleans things. It's good for getting some residue off acrylic and other materials where you've got that bit charring, bit of residue, where you use masking. If you use masking and you can't get it off, you've got the residue on some acrylic. I used it to clean this coaster off here, this Japanese manhole cover style coaster I made, just because I love the design. And it helped clean all this off when I used it. So I'd recommend that as well.